Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to share your card with others in Shein application on an Android device. Well, sharing your card with others enables you to receive feedback and recommendations on your selected items. Others may offer insights, suggest alternative products, or provide opinions on your choices, helping you make more informed decisions. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Shein application. Well, and now you can open your card. Okay, after that, click share icon at the top of the screen. Okay, next, here you can check this option to share all of the items inside your card. And then click share. And here you can select which platform you need to share it with your friends or colleagues. On the other hand, you can also copy the link here and share it to the others on any platform you need. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to share your card with others in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.